what are you doing?
I'm just drawing.
You?
Why not?
It's better to go and teach yourself how to speak like us, not drawing.
Yes. Teacher, you know my friends don't like me. They don't want me to talk with them. Talk with them. Is it only because I have stutter?
Oh no, please don't say that. You have to call it different speaking ability that makes you to be different and perfect. You know, I had that kind of different speaking ability and that made me to be different and perfect.
Really, you had?
Yes, so you have to be proud of it.
My dear friend, forgive me for making fun at you. Miss Khalat taught me a lesson. We have to treat everyone equally.
So you see, in life, good people are always the winners and the bad ones are always the losers. So if you want to be the winner one, never make fun at your friends.